Really good news, folks. Great news. 31 million people are now covered by the Affordable Care Act. And I know someone who's going to really want to know that number is up as high as it is. But I got to call this fella.
Mr. President.
Hey, Mr. President, how you doing, pal?
I'm doing good, man. How you doing? Joe Biden, we did this together. We always talked about how if we could get the principle of universal coverage established, we could then build on it. And I just want to say how proud I am of what you've done now with the American Rescue Plan.
When we open up the enrollment period again and reduce the cost, 1.2 million people signed up on top of the 30 million. And look how many times they tried to defeat your legislation.
The ACA, later known as Obamacare, which I take pride in.
And I keep reminding people.
It was built on a model that combined good ideas from Democrats and Republicans. You know, you and I have both had some tragic, illnesses in our families. We know what it's like emotionally, and that's compounded if a family, when somebody who they love deeply gets sick, is now also trying to figure out, how do I pay the bills? Can I get the best treatment? Am I gonna have to mortgage my house? Am I gonna have to drain all my retirement savings?
You were so good when Bo was dying. I literally remember sitting on the bed with him within a week or so of him passing away and thinking, what in God's name would I do if I got a notice from the insurance company say you've outrun your coverage?
The effort was worth it. The families that have been able to care for their loved ones, be cured, have access to care, that all makes it worthwhile. So I just want to thank your administration and all the folks who've been working on this for now building on it and continuing to expand it.
If I had a dime for everyone who said to me over the last 2 years campaigning and as president, tell the president, meaning you, I said thank you. It saved my life, no, I mean it.
That's because I had a good partner. And because of what you've done, Joe, the special enrollment period is still open until August 15th. So anybody who's watching us in this conversation and still hasn't looked into it, go to healthcare.gov. Healthcare.gov works like a charm these days. Mr. President, thank you for doing what you're doing. I'm proud of you. Keep it up. We're going to get even more people covered in the years to come under your guidance. Love you, man.
I'm still going to call you for advice.
See you, brother.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com.